Did you know the microwave was invented completely by accident? A chocolate bar and some radar equipment changed the world forever. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer, noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melted while near a radar machine. Curious, he tested it with popcorn and an egg. He realized microwaves from radar could heat food quickly and evenly. This discovery led to the microwave oven, transforming kitchens worldwide. Crazy, right? What's the one invention you can't live without? Let us know in the comments. For more surprising stories, hit subscribe. 60 Sex Secrets, bringing you the world's wonders, 1 minute at a time.